OKFM 101.7.
Okay, 101.7. Lawyer Godwin Kamaku. Hey, the Edema former President Mahama. Now, private legal practitioner. Now, I'm entering Komo. Council, me watching.
Welcome, and open image also. Make sure I will cheer for you now.
I cheer for you now, just not about it.
Ogwa the other woman. Ogwa the other woman.
Nra, when you are the Kotia Supreme Court suit in me.
So, welcome, me represent the plaintiff.
Oh, the audio some call and Una Wujinamudiamano, Supreme Court. Now, Enra, and graphic, page 11 of Daily Graphic, whatever, provide legal justification for excluding voters' ID in registration. Moko and dear Benny see, we say Supreme Court na amasa or day.
Yo, welcome. I call say a summer as a dime court in Vintino. Me. We be limited strictly to the course because a matter of public record. Na as usual, announce na the deputy general secretary of the party are made by the lawyer Miami Senior Barbara Sawasa. Ono in a page na
Barbara, we law school jaw.
What was it?
Barbara, asama we law school jaw.
Where we see.
I wouldn't say me na ye adwuma so pay.
Was it unina ye adwuma?
Ai, FMB ana me wo. On dey marketing executive.
Offense area mo no.
We kura de Kumase.
Oh, okay.
Wow.
Okay. And no babbage now party name as representative. Inti yewe na aja na ese yen announce yeho. Inti meme announce yeho as representing as acting as the lawyer for the plaintiff. A senior prophet Yewa Dame. Our deputy attorney general. And also announcing as representing the attorney. And I can say, Mr. Justin Amenable. And also, it's not electoral commission, the second defendant. In the judge for the area, and I will be say, what next? Na medical menu so file memorandum of issues. And the parties agree near file one into a friend agreed memorandum of issues. But the engineer agree on the issues into EC any attorney general or more file a common joint issues, and so we file a separate one for the plaintiff. Into my Lord the Chief Justice.
Why were the EC and then Attorney General jointly sued as first and second defendant respectively?
No, I think we share the defenses are communal filing and they appears to go on one way.
Okay.
And so I think almost interests are more or less the same. So almost decided in fact we share emails trying to see if we could all agree on something, but we could not. Until now, we had to file separate processes. Until every year, my Lord the Chief Justice, they make an order directed at the second defendant, Electoral Commission. The Omon provided a legal basis for excluding the existing voters card as one of the documents that which me use it. When we say CR91, I have expressly said one of the documents of which me I use a existing voters card. Inchi Ekoba Sano and upon that na court no so in view of the orders now Oma making court no Emma order that within 4 days, that's Monday, issue and file it the legal justification. Now, because about to usually electoral adjudication speed is of essence. Into Yembra back on the 11th. Into Yeba 11th now. So if they will hear us on any issues, then we can take it up from there. Jiba Kwame, in short, when they go see here.
Na Mami Musa say Emremu Yakase provide legal justification in Chirimu Pani say.
Oh, main chance here, I'll be limited in this understanding. And it's one who say elections, the only body are over to me on it, the Electoral Commission. Now, Electoral Commission is, even though Constitution is established, there's also an Act of Parliament, Act 451, as amended, and they regulated the activities of the Electoral Commission. When we say Electoral Commission, and so under Article 51, or 2 means obey regulations. Into the existing regulation, ASCI 91. Into your can legal basis, and then they say, via ECB Council Constitution, Article this, Emma Mihokwan say, make me take the decision. Send me voters card. The Act, Emma Mihokwan say, and our session this of our children, so Emma Mihokwan, and our regulation this of CI so Emma Mihokwan. That's basically my understanding. Here can legal, and now say there is an order of a court. I can say make me to sa anamon.
I see. When say what would the legal justification about? Not just a ruling will be there will be a ruling.
But you say
me fan say Electoral Commission the one the eba sa legal justification be we are. After there will be a ruling or what?
After now, the court will now give judgment.
Okay. Next is a way back to the tia. Any so be.
Exactly.
So, voters card.
But I didn't fear to me. Oh, there will be me say, Obia over existing voters card no. Si be quietly and control your dinner. Won't mean using the existing card now one can man no as proof of identity.
Oh, where say I know ye any day. Sa cardi and go for bebre kura bi Ghana ha wo monye Ghana for Togo for be according to Dr. Baumia kwa na so be 76,000 no me ade. It wey dey say wey dey nya bibia.
Black Army say bio for ade 20 million and 17 million. Unim say emu 75,000 the foreigner. Who didn't now be go and 75 and that's why me line.
Me wana anzo.
Okay, say Mra Solomon. A man a crown of honor. But we should trouble friend of me. What should that be? My sir, and ana bra kwame
o say
who line
me wala so say
he said protocol say you don't throw the baby away with the bath water.
Ba kwa ebi o akwa abone.
Inti ebia make
akwa nye.
Ebia who say 75,000 foreigners, and thankfully because we need so foreigners no. Now they are going 75 way foreigners. It is our foreigners no more ban no more card, no more coin, no more use it. Say no need the best use of law. In law there is a principle called the principle of severability. Receiver, the act. How would you say yeah proper? Then you let the others stay. Into which recently National Media Commission at the regulation be before the court. The portions of the regulation when you are studio or plan, you bet me criminalize it or editorial discretion. Supreme Court almost strike those portions. Come and cast the entire legislative instrument, and at the right time, you're not judged for Omuna Trading Bonyankopon, I'm almost done in Diano. Say, when matters like this come up, though meander through the intricacies, now, the law no excellent at the answer.
Lawyer, I'm not for the issue of morality. Sir,
the issue of what?
Morality. That is a moral justification for that matter. Sir, I didn't know because you can see him say.
Sir, first question, who's moral? You know, say my moral views are different from Black Media.
Sir,
but Osha say you can't say Constitution article this. It doesn't matter whether it's a duty or Black Family. Say you can't say section D of Act so it doesn't matter. Intuition and maybe law does not admit of favoritism. But morality there. Make me a cashew, and that can change everything. And it's in our share judge for almost take the FN judicial oath. That judicial oath, or say, I shall do justice to all manner of persons without fear or favor. The other two in Nana say, aha, me way. Memoha Emma Edgy. Memoha Emma Kwejo. I'm not here to advance a religious agenda, political agenda, and I'm here to do justice to all manner of persons. As for morality, the MVP, my person call a true.
Aye, and no, I mean, no be in combo. And I know say, but the truth is that I'm saying, truth in the work, but what are the facts?
There be a make I say one who say court, local court is not an inquiry in truth.
Oh, sir.
It's an inquiry, yes, it's an inquiry to establish the facts. And internet here, even a law of evidence, no. The can say evidence is not counted. You encounter evidence. Evidence is weak. And evidence is about consistency. Hello, Blackman.
Me opa.
Evidence about until we make me say Obi no wasam or the only one witness paper. Obi so the 10 witnesses paper. By the time or maybe no say could you can say I'm answer can say the same adeno at the corner. They say now once I say see or say army. Okay, what do you call? Then they see or say A B C D. Yes, okay. You are discharged. You are cross-examined. Then another person. First question. Umu ama ewo hon mana or should there be? Sama ni wa ready no who dear course. You already know or 10 witnesses now or the abano. Oma started contradict your mom. When so nipa back or the one witness paper. Asama wakan one wujina. Wow.
I see. Way of what effect? And a benyan so the impending registration so say a biana woma bua say a press court of the land the bua say oh
yes sebi yes sebi oapa and I will be here for a work master. Yeah, that day I call her say we'll be here for those who are coming. Come as you say, we also say Omunana or Ghana card. Yes, also Omunana or passport.
Hey, this ama kuma kwa di onibi. Ono ebra ba no da dokota.
Your grandma, grandma, your grandma. You think crazy. And I say, and a case is maybe a year. The real motivation is that your mamma no move crazy. Mr. Mamma or voter, only passport. Or my Ghana card, or voter, and so on. Or my yen broadly. Okay, I say. And you will need these two documents. It is about to a bar. And my make us over. As for the voter's card, there also the beer on the pillow as here. So that's here. And sometimes your motivation cry you in doing something like this. You rural folks. You know, room classing. Back we say yes, I would say like a passport, me yes also back could you be.
A passport now no crowd me ready back could be me shame kakra or say me property, but a government of Ghana there.
It has always been. And that is why when you go for it, which means that it's farmer.
Oh, I see.
If you are buying every HSC, no, you are qualified for it near the amount. Ultimately, airport will mark rather home airport no dear if you ask it. They are privileged. They are privileged. There were passports. There were other stuffs. Now, also the millions of people are crossing villages, typical villages. They must also be part of the process in determining who moves them. Which I say, it's no that's a pound Kwame.
Amibo, elections sa ya registration for no. Da no. Ebi o wa me tell you say oh nkrofo di nkrofo nwa dance oh ye nim no ye na na tia ne ma me ne papa ni no ma register no. Enti we no nka na hia court twan sa.
Ba Kwame. Sir, the way our process is now Kobano. Where the exam case no, I can ya normal election related matters. If you embrace PR, I say Biame, Mammy, I will need Ghana card, only passport. The constitution now only 3 criteria to be a registered voter. Citizenship, 18 years and above, sound mind. It is a vouching hour. It means that I am vouching for one of these 3 criteria. So you're gonna need, say, we did 18 years and above. Say, we are sound mind. Imagine me, educate. Now, me or no me. Several years ago, now me could not officer named HN and say, Mammy, you're gonna need. What do I say?
What do I say?
Namima could now. It's me in front of easy officials. Mammy on woman or carry me 9 months. No. Remember, I now I can so no, you're gonna need simply because I am privileged.
Where you say it's on point of law. Sana mraniche. Nya wo ntia.
Na me no one about first.
One about first by mrem no yeso obi medi ho dance tu medi ho dance ase.
Emra no so follow common sense. Ana.
Aye. Na ba common sense say emra.
Say at the point it was lawful to own a slave. Ana. And then who to me go own a slave. That's what I mean. And then wait me actually be actually say he's your slave.
Oh, Debbie.
In JMP, you know, and run so follow what is common sensical.
Well, me kai say in 1066. Na wo mo boboa emra wodo na nyiresi. Mem wo mo dibu eyi nyina ane ababa ye common law. Na ye niema a wo mo ankasa e de ebu wo mo man ene wo mo kuro ania. Ai.
Okay. And into na Oshekra na St. Thomas Augustine's no more or more epistles or treaties, the almost friend of the natural law. And maybe the almost kind of say law is proper if it complies with the requirement of nature. And right now, King Ayepe. Omuna is set to up the foundation. Amayin ene. When you say in the parliament, Krakow pass it, and ayo of no choice. Ghana for you now best of it here.
Aye.
If you make I do this, there will be a friend of pioneering. Any other obnoxious activities in the past. If you also to make a bubble, you know the neighbor, among other things. Those times in our democracy, that is good questions. When you didn't know, yes, and yet we do right. Obi, near the area to be near very rainy, near Yenese, Ayakayaka, dear, didn't know, because against good conscience, and
I see. Any lawyer maminya wo na Monday number court na yentie de besie na obi abisa me say was wo ye NDC ni amapa na mo running mate no wo
no back me one who running mate or ballot paper soda
there by our campaign.
They say when we running mate or ballot paper soda.
There me who be that.
The Constitution 1992. When we say Constitution here and elect vice president.
There be pokra Constitution no and said that juma running mate.
Exactly. As we speak. Yeah. And rana yenianom and or any inclusion of all the major political parties, NDC grand and your first flag bearer. Yes, sir. Now, say, na crana pressure, I have an internet so on easy restrictions. No, sir, MPP for which mention among them. Now, Omar claiming as a flag bearer. I just say, let me congratulate you on the acclamation of the man. Just at the end of the day, all ballot papers, and you need a dinosaur. Running mate there, it is just to complement.
But, sir, when you're running mate here, or you're strong, was a beer, obey a head of economic management team, and only at the idea.
Minister review, service, and I owe a person, and
I.
Ali Mahama, Emrebena, Epapago, yet you see no as Nirani mate.
Okay. Men Kaya, me Kaisa, many penny be in Como.
Okay. Fourth. 2000, the year 2000.
Say August, say
4th
August. Okay, the year 2000. Wow.
I can't have the mass election.
Oh, na kaka krebi na ono no kura no de mete ye ne se nanka ono mbom ko convince obi wa ko ya nipa kro no ntia no sa ne se kura wo ye nice gentleman.
Na unu say
na August 4th ntu
unu say yeah man penin na na do dan kweku prado. In the year 2000 okay time OCC Dr. Mahmoud Bamia as me running me.
Enu ya da ben.
Oh. Almost 4 months into the okay as a Kennedy book. The politics of complacency, or dedicate a whole few paragraphs to the church of Dr. Bamia. Our council, Nana, first choice of running mate was Haji Alima. Accepted. Then there was this opinion, so it does call for Boniface. Then the idea came that Boniface is still connected to Alan. So finally, in fact, he talks about the fact that there was a time cry, Poriata Krabufuye. So why are they treating Anna like that? Would you be a bias way? Would you be a bias way? Then finally,
and more difficulty, Anna.
Happy, welcome.
I'm per this analogy, okay.
COVID-19 Onankasa AC Jonga Onankasa Kasa. Also, in fact, Onankasa or a very competent or you say. Indeed, I didn't allow if he American at the right time. Now, you see, I know, Oman Penidi restrictions as Grano. Political rallies now, when you say, or the restrictions are also. Also meetings now, maximum 100 as the 100 and then we can. So you as a political party, you need to weigh all these scenarios. Because you see, if you are going to announce your running mate, won't mean that you open the part 2 then you are starving. It's a huge program. Make I 80 your mama cry and bra yapa at a meals, Karma Conference Center. Women was to capacity. So that's it. You can announce your papa and Miss Ada. The same thing. So you need to factor all those things before you finally make the announcement.
Lawyer made us celebrate. On council. Lawyer Godwin, a digital macroni and I train Cobono.
OKFM 101.7.